Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. What is Snipverse? It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of XPR at the time of the recording, guys. So let me just refresh this page. CMC. Let's see what XPR is doing at the moment. So yeah, guys, XPR network is up 4.66% for the day. The price is $0.001707. The market cap has increased to $42 million, approximately $43 million. Check this out, guys. The volume has increased significantly. It is up 356.26%. If we look at the daily, the lowest it went was $0.001483. The highest it went was 0.0019. So it's going heading upwards to test this resistance over here. If we look at the 7-day chart, guys, nothing much to see over here. And I do not know what's wrong with CMC at the moment, guys. Giving a bit of a glitch at the moment. Let me show you the monthly chart in a moment. I'll show you what's happening. Guys, in my opinion, XPR network is going to be a phenomenon, and it has the potential to give massive gains in the next run, guys. Check this out. In the last month, guys, it went from 0.00085 approximately all the way to 0.0019. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, it is up significantly. It went as low as 0.0005 approximately, and then up. Anyways, guys, let me just close this and let me share with you guys what Snipverse is, guys. So, what is Snipverse? Basically, Snipverse is a blockchain social media platform that is built on top of XPR network, guys. Snipverse is a blockchain social media platform that provides a space for crypto enthusiasts, businesses, and projects to connect, share, learn, and earn rewards. With its range of features and tools, Snipverse makes it easy for users to interact with others and build strong, engaged communities around their interests, businesses, and projects. What is staking for membership? Snipverse offers a staking membership. By the way, guys, Snipverse has its own coin. It is powered by Snip coins, and it has its own coin Snips, which gave significant gains as well in February, which can be bought on Metallicus, the DEX of XPR. Snipverse offers a staking membership program where users can stake Snip coins tokens to access exclusive features and benefits on the platform. You can also earn, guys. This is a social media platform where people can connect and earn. There is also tipping system where you tip the content creators that you like, basically. So it is good if you tip them. I mean, creating content is good if anyone can tip them and appreciate their work. By staking Snip coins, users can upgrade their membership level and access additional features such as increased rewards and for content creation and interaction with other members. Can I use any wallet on Snipverse? No, Snipverse is integrated with Proton WEBAUTH.com. So this is basically a platform which is optimized for the Proton, for the XPR ecosystem, guys, basically. So you can basically connect the WebAuth wallet, and it is easy to use in that regard. How can I earn rewards on Snipverse? Snipverse provides a range of ways for users to earn rewards, including through content creation and interaction with other members. By contributing high quality content and engaging with others on the platform, users can earn Snip coins tokens, which can be used to access exclusive features as well. So basically, you can earn rewards by creating content, engaging. Basically, as you increase your engagement, the rewards will increase as well, from what I understand. What is the tipping system on Snipverse? The tipping system on Snipverse allows users to show their appreciation for others' content by sending tips in the form of Snips, XPR, Doge, BTC, and other cryptocurrencies. Can I withdraw my earnings instantly? Yes, Snipverse provides instant withdrawal options for users to access their earnings from the platform. So there's no waiting for a withdrawal and all of that stuff that you have to wait for your rewards. So this is instant. You'll get your rewards instantly. So what is Snipcoins, guys? Snipcoins, Snips token is the utility token for the Snipverse.com platform, providing a range of benefits and incentives for users, including access to exclusive features and rewards for contributions. So basically, the reward that you will get are going to be in the form of Snips tokens, guys. So yeah, let me show you the blog as well. They've got features, advertisers, support, their platform. This is the blog area. People basically can create blogs over here. These are different blogs. This is recent, guys. 29th February 2024. Get to know storex.io before its launch. If you are a WebAuth wallet user on the XPR platform and you haven't heard of Storex, take a time and read about it. So I'm going to be reading this as well for a new opportunity like Snips and others. Storex Marketplace creates a collaborative environment. So basically, this is a blog hub, but it doesn't have much traffic at the moment. We are already down here at on November, 2nd November 2023. So it's going to be taking a while before traction comes and more blogs. People create more blogs over here. So still, you guys, this is a neat platform for people to basically make blogs and all of that stuff. So this is Snipverse website. Discover businesses, projects, and communities of individuals with similar interests in crypto. You can share Snips. Basically, is like the if you remember Orkut, if you remember Facebook, the post. So here it is Snips basically. So share snips of your latest trades, strategies, and favorite projects, or what's new with you. Basically, that is called Snips. Earn Snip coins, Snips rewards for snipping and interacting. Withdraw your Snips rewards instantly. So, guys, Web 3.0, where social media, where by using social media you can earn rewards, guys. So this is SocialFi, a completely different sector, guys. You can also staking, upgrade your Snipverse membership by staking Snip coins. Unlock Lite, Pro, or ADV membership level to start earning rewards for your contributions to the platform. Tipping, like I mentioned, guys, you can show your appreciation for others' content by sending tips in the form of Snips, XPR, BTC, Doge. And guys, they've got these projects as well. Snipverse project page provides a platform for small businesses and projects in the crypto space to connect with their target audience. So basically, the projects that you're concerned with, that your target audience, you can connect with them. Let me show you the page. This is their basically the projects for the moment. There are groups as well, users, projects. So these are projects, although there are 0 people that like this at the moment. Helios Marketplace, it is coming soon. Snips backdrops, Fundacoven, Valorian, English House, education. This is for education. So like-minded people can basically, from what I understand, can interact in English and learn English basically. Unreal World. This is NFT, imagination, other side of the what? Cyber puppies and owners. So if you're interested in cyber puppies, this is the place to be. Proton Clownverse. What is Proton Clownverse? I opened this. Yeah, so this is Proton Clownverse. Isn't this cool, guys? This is such a neat and cool interface. So there are collections about Snips. Let us open Snips over here. So there are collections and Snips and all of that stuff. This is the marketplace for Proton Clownverse collectibles. This is really, oops, are you a time traveler? We identified your system time is different from world global time. Yeah, I'm a time traveler. Okay, I didn't know my time is different. Anyways, guys, proceed anyways. Okay, so Mr. Waldo White is also here. So a lot of stuff, guys, over here. Gary Giggles, Javier, Joker, Milai, Benji, the Bozo. It seems cool, guys. I think this will be Snipverse. It's going to be a thing. It's going to be a deal in the near future when XPR Network gains more traction. Basically, guys, a lot of eyes would be watching Snipverse as well. So yeah, these are the blogs. Furthermore, guys, this is their X handle as well. They've got a good X handle. Snipverse.com, Web3 social platform for crypto enthusiasts and projects, powered by Snipcoins. Snips built on XPR Network. So they've got this coin as well, and it has performed well in the last month as well. Let me show you here. Snips had a nice month, and it's only the beginning. Join the future of SocialFi with Snipverse and start earning today. Basically, you can buy it on Metallicus, I think. So there, this is the DeFi, the DEX of XPR. You can buy it there. Snipverse.com, new landing page. Never stop building and improving. Marshall Hayner, A-Chain, and XPR. I might cover this as well in the future video. Okay, in our continuous effort to deliver unparalleled service and performance, we are transitioning our platform's technology from PHP to Next.js and TypeScript. So they're continuously evolving, continuously basically transforming their interface. Check this out, light mode, dark mode, and all of that stuff. It seems cool. It can be a good social media platform even for the Web3 enthusiasts and the crypto enthusiasts. Check this out, guys. People talking about stuff like this is truly the personification of SocialFi in its full glory, in my opinion. Hello, Snippers. We're excited to announce that Snipcoins is set to be listed on P2B, one of the premier crypto exchanges in Europe, boasting a 24-hour trading volume of over 2 billion according to CoinMarketCap. So Snipcoins is basically will be listed in various exchanges as well, centralized exchanges. For the moment, I think you have to buy it on their decentralized exchange. On this universe, Snipverse brings us all together through Web3 conversations. If you can't connect in your planet, call support. Okay. So I think this is an interesting project, guys, built on XPR Network, and there would be more projects on XPR Network coming up, in my opinion. We're going to be covering them as well, but I think this is cool. You have to check if you guys can check this out. By the way, guys, what do you guys think about Snipverse? And do you think it can be a transformation in how how we use social media? What do you guys think about it? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.